Now coming on to next topic, that is next physical quantity we will discuss is stress. Stress is, this is fourth physical quantity. Stress is force acting per unit area. This is force acting per unit equivalent to pressure. Force is mLT minus 2 and area is L square. So, this is mL minus 1 T minus 2. Unit will be kilogram per meter per second square. What I am using is MKS system. You can use SI unit by using this formula. Force is in Newton and area is in meter square. So, unit can be Newton per meter square or Pascal. Then there is another physical quantity, that is coefficient of elasticity. Coefficient of elasticity is stress divided by strain. So, what is strain? Strain is a pure ratio. It is given by change in dimension to original dimension. I am taking change in length to original length, but you can take change in area to original area or change in dimension to original dimension. So, stress is mL minus 1 T minus 2, change in length is L divided by capital L again. So, this will cancel out, dimension is mL minus 1 T minus 2. So, unit will become kilogram per meter per second square. So, you can see the dimension of stress, dimension of pressure and dimension of coefficient of elasticity is same. Next is angle, that is plane angle denoted by theta. Angle is given by arc length upon radius. So, it is clear from these examples that you must know the formula to get dimension and then derived units. So, arc length is measured in length, radius is also denoted by length. So, it is, this will cancel out and this is m0 L0 T0. What is this? It means that this is dimensionless. If there is no dimension, then that physical quantity is dimensionless and its unit is, because it has no dimension. So, you can say that there is no unit, but this angle is an exceptional physical quantity. It has a unit. Unit is a radian, but that is not derived from dimensional formula. Dimensional formula is m0 L0 T0. So, the pure number and constants are always dimensionless. Pure numbers and pure ratios are dimensionless. Pure number and pure ratios are always dimensionless, but it is not necessary that a quantity which has no dimension will have no unit. This is an exceptional case where angle is dimensionless, but it has a unit, that is radian. Then one more physical quantity I am taking, relative velocity, relative density. Relative density. Relative density is density of the substance to density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Density is mass upon volume. So, mL minus 3 is the dimension of density. Again, this is also mL minus 3. So, again this is also m0 L0 T0, dimensionless. This is also dimensionless. So these are certain physical quantities which these are the physical quantities which requires you to learn the formula and then obtain the dimensions. Now in class 11 you are always going to get new formulas, then you have to get the new dimensions and then derive the units. Now on the basis of dimensions there are 4 physical quantities which we will discuss now. So on the basis of dimensions there are 4 physical quantities. There are 4 physical quantities. First one is dimensional variables. What are dimensional variables? These are the variables or physical quantities which has dimension. Variables which has dimension. Examples you all know, there are number of variables which has dimensions. So example is force, velocity, acceleration and many more. So there are number of variables which has dimension. These quantities are known as dimensional variables. Then second one is dimensional constants. What are dimensional constants? These are constants which has dimension. Constants having dimensions are known as dimensional constants. Example I have discussed. First one is, you all know, gravitational constant. Then second one is coefficient of viscosity. Gas constant and many more. So all the constants which are having dimensions are known as dimensional constants. Then the third physical quantity is dimensionless variables. These are variables having no dimension, having no dimensions. For example, velocity ratio, mechanical advantage, then fourth one is dimensionless constants. Dimensionless constants are the constants having no dimension. Constants having no dimension. For example, pi is a constant which has no dimension. Then refractive index for a pair of medium, refractive index for a pair of medium, relative density and other are also examples of dimensionless constants. These are 4 physical quantities on the basis of dimensions.